In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a cabin filter on your Scion XB. This is going to be located inside of the glove compartment. Let's get started. Open the glove box. On this right side, we have a small arm. We have to pull that arm off of the tab. Once you pull the arm off, we can pinch the two sides of the glove box and let it fall down. Push on the tab, pull straight back, and remove the little door. Remove your cabin air filter. Install the new cabin air filter. Hook the door in on the left side. Hinge it down and close it. Install the glove box. Be sure that the hinges are sitting. Then hinge it up into place. You can snap those two clips into place. Install the small plunger onto the side of the glove box, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.